So, good afternoon, students. Already we have started the discussion about your chapter exercise number 4.5. Previous exercise already have discussed, so now I have discussed from the exercise. We start to discussion from the exercise number 4.5. Why? Because this is a very important part is there. This is a middle term factor. Okay. So middle term factor. How can I do that? Suppose 1A1 exercise number 4.4. What is given? X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. So whatever way we should be for middle term factor means we can find out the middle term. That is the middle means is what? 5x. So you can get the factor from multiply the first and last term. What is the term is there? 1. What is the term is there? 6. So now do 1 into 6, that is 6. So 6 do the factorization, 2 3 are 6. So whatever you can get it, x square plus 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 x plus 6. Here also another important things is there. You also check that what is the sign will be there. Here plus and here plus. So actually plus sign you can get it. So now, so x square 3x 2x plus 6. Between these two you can take the common x, that x plus 3. Take the common 2, x plus 3. So from both of the two you can get 1. Okay. This is also one process we have to discuss to find the middle term factor of the equation. Hope you have understood the process. What is the process is that you multiply the first and last. Now whatever factors 5 from where you can get it, multiply the first and last. So 1 into 6, that is 6. So 6 you can do the factorization, 2 3 is 6. So you can get it 3 plus 2x, that is 6. So 3x plus 2x, take the common x as the x plus 3, plus take 2 as the common x plus 3. So both from the two part you can take the common x plus 3, and what is left? X plus 2. Clear? Okay. Next, another figure. Suppose 2 and 1. X square plus 6x minus 7. Check it. X square plus 6x minus 7. So here, what is the factor is there? 1 and 7. 7. 7, 1 just 7. So 2 you can get these 2. So x square already be there, plus sign be there, 6. How can I get the 6? 7 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because plus, minus sign is there. Here the plus sign, the plus and minus a minus. Okay. Now, okay, x minus 7 will be there. Okay. So from there, okay. So take the common from these two, x plus 7. From here take the common 1, x minus take the common plus 7. So x plus 1, 7. From both the two part is common. So x minus 1. This will be the answer. Okay. All you have got the answer? Okay. Next, I'll discuss another math. Suppose 4 6x square plus 13x minus 5. 6x square plus 13x minus 5. Okay. Now you think how can you do this for activity? Okay, 6 5 jar 6 into 5 30. 6 5 jar 30. 5 into 6 2 into 3. Make the prime factor. Of course you think another things. I forgot to tell that you must make the prime number. So now you can get the 13 from how? Plus minus minus. From minus you can get the 13 from there. Okay. So how can you get this? 5 3 are 15 minus 2. 5 3 are 15 minus 2 x minus 5. The 6x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. Take the common 3x. 3 2 is 6x plus 3 5 is 15. 1 take common 2x plus 5. So take these two are common. What is left? 3x minus 1. It will be the answer. Understood everyone? Just go through that, then I'll go to the next question. Okay. Next. Suppose 7 8 1. 2y square plus y minus 45. Okay. So 45 2 jar is what? 45 2 jar is 90. So 90 you can do that. 10. Okay. So 2y square last one is a minus 10 minus 9y minus 45. 2y square plus 10y minus 9y minus 45. Take 2y as the common, the y plus 5. Take minus 9 as the common, y plus 5. So whenever take the common y plus 5, you can make it y minus 9 is that next part. Okay. Okay. Last one math I will discuss, that is that 82. 4 minus x whole square minus 2x. See, this is not the whole square. Okay. There are 4 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square minus 2x. There is 16 minus 8x plus x square minus 2x. After rearranging, x square minus a minus 10x plus 16. Am I clear? Now do the, you can get the middle term factor, you can get the answer. How? X square 16 means 10 6 are 16, 8 2 are 10, 16, 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So x minus 8 and x minus 2. It will be the answer. Okay. So we practice well. This is a very easy math, and you always get this type of math in your future life. Goodbye.